Welcome back to Easy Art and Floral Projects. Today we're going to make a two-loop bow. This is what a two-loop bow looks like. It's got a nice little knot in the middle, and it's the same on both sides, so there is no back side. This is a great little bow to use to tie on packages, cards, or even glue a little hair bow right on the back side for a child's hair. So let's get started. For this project, you're going to need some scissors, some double-faced satin ribbon. This is called number 3 ribbon in the floral world, or 2.7 millimeter width, but it's shiny on both sides. You're going to need a tape measure, and I like to measure this out about 19 inches. I already cut mine, but from front to back, it's about 19 inches. And that's about the length, 19 to 20 inches, which you need for a loop, two-loop bow that size. So I'm going to set my scissors aside. This is really easy to do. It doesn't take any tape or wires or needles and threads or anything. And it only takes about 2 minutes to make. You may have to watch this a few times to really get the hang of it, but once you do, you'll be making a lot of bows. So let's get started. We're going to put the long end up above us, away from us, and the shorter end, it's going to be about 3-4 inches, and that's so we can allow for the tail, whatever length tail you want. If you want a longer tail than what we have here, you just cut more ribbon, maybe 25, maybe 30 inches, and you can have a nice long streamer. If you wanted to go down a child's back on her hair who has really long hair, or to tie it around a present. So for now, we're just going to leave about 4 inches, 3-4 inches. Make a peace sign with your fingers. Do it again. All we need is 2 fingers and a thumb to make this bow. So we're going to brace it. Make it nice and firm and taut with our little peace sign of our fingers. And we're going to pull under the index, over the middle finger, back through, over the index. That gives us 2 loops for that side of the bow, and the back down for the middle finger. We're going to grab on with our thumb right here to make sure it doesn't slip anywhere, and then we're going to take this end and put it between these 2 fingers. See where it's coming out? So if I pull it back through, show you again, it's going right through here. You pull, and pull through, and then you bring that end around, and right through that little hoop you see there, you pull it through there. Take it out the other end, pull tight, and that's starting to form the middle knot of your bow. And we're just going to seesaw this back and forth till it's nice and firm. And now it's done. Pull the other tail forward and pull it off your fingers. That side, this side.